Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will do this nice looking bottle holder. My inspiration was the alcohol-free Aperol. You can use any other bottle as a model for this project. I will be using 100% cotton yarn from Hobby and 3.5mm hook. It's recommended on the label for this specific yarn. Pattern is super simple and fast to make. First thing we will need to do is the magic ring and chain 1. In my specific case it was enough to have 5 rounds for the base. I will start round 1 with 9 half double crochet into the magic ring. You're done with 9 half double crochet, pull the leftover string to close the ring. Then slip stitch to join together. Round 2, chain 1, then 2 half double crochet into each stitch. So in total you will have 18 half double crochets. Join with a slip stitch. In round 3, chain 1, then 2 half double crochet into each stitch. So in total you will have 36 half double crochets. As usual, join with a slip stitch. As usual, chain 1 to start round 4. Then, I done the following. To the first stitch I add 1 half double crochet, to the second one I add 2 half double crochets, and I repeat this pattern to the end of the row. In total I got 51 half double crochet for this row. stitch to join. Let's measure it to the bottle. Still a little bit small, so I will add the round 5. Round 5 we're starting the same. Chain 1, then make 1/2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Onto the third stitch, make 2/2 double crochet in 1. Total for final round 5, I got 66 half double crochets. Congratulations, now we're done with the base. I will continue with doing the same 66 half double crochets, but only in the back loop to have like nice border all around the bottom part. Begin with chaining 1 as usual and then half double crochet into each stitch. That's the border I was talking about. Stand with the solid side of the work, and I will start to doing a net right now. Because I have 66 stitches around the base, it's easy to count for me how much I will need to have in each net. So in my case it is 6 chains, then slip stitch to the 6th stitch underneath and repeat it around the work. I finished the first row of the net. After this I won't have any rows as it is. Now we will need to start from the middle of the arch space, so I will slip stitch 3 times because we have chain 6 space to start from the middle of the first arch we have, and after that I will continue slip stitching into the middle of any next arch space, and will continue that till the desired result. I guess currently I have the good length for my bottle holder, so let's check it with the bottle. For me it looks pretty good, so I will do a few rounds of half double crochets into the top of the neck, and then we'll start with doing a handler.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
In my case, I will do only 2 rows of half double crochet on the top of the board to have it nicer look. I will do the strap with only single crochets. So let's do single crochets in 4 neck bases. During your work, chain 1 and repeat 4 single crochets. Repeat the section till your handler will be desired length. And that's the final result. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.